Show me life, show me love. Make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video, welcome back to another vlog. Quick update guys, so we're on our way right now taking Malia to dancing. Where are you going, Malia? We're into dancing? So Malia, what we realized is that Malia was kind of like in her shell a little bit. So we wanted to get her involved in some programs, extracurricular activity, to kind of like break her out of that shell. So we got her into this dance group, which is the only one that was available, and we only got in based on connections. But it's a Ukrainian, it's a Ukrainian dance group. So she's going to the class right now, and yeah, definitely outside of her comfort zone. But the main goal is to have her socialize, right? And this is what our third class. And how's it been going so far?
She loves it. She loves the class, and the instructor is saying that she's a natural. I'm like, okay, but she's loving it, so that's the greatest thing.
She just loves dancing, and the thing is, she don't like at that age. She don't really understand culture. So it's kids being kids.
I have nothing wrong with their cultures or anything. It's just not my culture. But it's nice to know about other people's culture. So yeah, nothing's wrong with that.
I'm laughing because our daughter still starts speak Ukrainian, but that's what it is. Yeah, I really wish there was something more in Grand Prairie for like Malika and kids with special needs, because we want to get Malika involved in swimming, but it fills up so quickly.
And it costs.
Fills up and it's expensive. Where? Yeah, you're going dancing. You like dancing?
Yeah. And Mika's going to the pool.
Mika is going in the pool. She calls Malika Mika because she still hasn't been able to form her L's yet. You don't know a thing, she still get it. But yeah guys, very important to step outside of your comfort zone. And especially when you're in a place that is so multicultural, it's very important to just not stay within your own demographic all the time. Learn new cultures, be open to new cultures and stuff. So Malia is definitely is way out there, Ukrainian dance. But anyways, we're going to the dance class right now, taking you guys, show you guys a little bit. We can't go inside because they usually just swoop them up and gone back. But we'll show you guys what we can. Have a good class, have a good dance class.
We're going to dance class.
Yeah.
I'm ready to go to dance class.
Yeah, later show me your moves, okay?
Okay.
I'm
On.
going to take on my good.
Yes, you're gonna take off the jacket.
Yes guys, so Malika is here with me. She's not feeling too well. Her molars are coming up, so it's giving her fever. Her gum is swollen. I had to pick her up from school even early today. Malika, can you manage to say hi? Can you manage to say hi, baby? Say hi. You can. Yeah. So she's not in the best of mood right now, guys. Not pressure her too much. How was dancing?
You guys go to the pool?
How was dancing, baby?
Good.
Good?
Yeah.
You had fun?
Yeah.
What did you do? Show me.
I dance. Whoa.
The dance right there?
Yeah.
Show me your moves. What did you do? Show me a new move. You forgot the moves already?
Yeah.
Any updates?
No. Update or anything.
You guys going swimming, Daddy?
Yeah, Mika's going swimming, but not today.
You guys going to swim in the pool?
In the pool. Yeah, but Malika not feeling too well right now. Sister is still sick, okay?
Okay.
Once you feel better. Do you want to go swimming in the pool too?
No.
You don't like swimming anymore?
Yeah.
You want to go dancing still?
Yeah.
Or you like dancing more than swimming? Okay, that's okay. You get to choose what you like, right? You try many things until you find the one that you like. Okay?
I'm trapped again.
Try it.
You gonna try it again? Okay. But you need to start showing me some of your moves though. I need to start seeing some of your moves. Okay? Yes guys, so I am on my way to the gym right now. I just dropped off the girls and nuts. And you know what? Today is one of those days that you'd use all the excuses not to go to the gym. It's too cold. It's now -7 degrees outside. It is still snowing. The ground is covered in ice. You just want to stay home and watch a movie and chill. That's kind of vibe tonight is. But nonetheless, I'm dedicated and I'm committed to this journey. So I'm going to the gym. Quick update, I haven't given you guys an update in a while. So I'm down 35 pounds when I started this journey. Well, more than 35 pounds actually. When I started this journey, I was roughly 280 pounds, guys. And honestly, I didn't feel like I was that big, but the scale don't lie. But when we have on so much weight, oftentimes we don't really feel it, but it shows. That was my starting weight, 280 pounds. And this morning when I checked the scale, I weighed in at 246 pounds. So that's the amount of pounds I'm down so far. So I'm giving thanks, I'm grateful, and we keep working, right? Motivation gets you started, but discipline gets the job done, guys. Discipline gets the job done. So I'm going to the gym. I'm on my way to pick up Shauna. Shauna is my gym mate. I go to the gym with her a few times when she's available. She moved to Grand Prairie a month ago from Scarborough, and she's a gym junkie. So it's good to have somebody like that to motivate me sometimes. So sometimes I'm in the gym with Shauna, sometimes I'm in the gym with Nat, sometimes I'm in the gym with both of them. But we just push each other and keep going, right? That's the goal, that's the plan. Really, really proud of myself. Started this journey on the 12th of July. Today is the 21st of October, so roughly 3.5 months of consistency. Never been able to be this consistent before in my life towards my health journey, weight loss journey, fitness journey, whatever you want to call it, guys. I'm really, really proud of myself. And you know what? If you guys are seeing it, let me know. Let me know. I've been seeing a lot of comments on both on our social media platforms, and persons in person has been telling me that they're seeing it, but keep it coming, because those things are motivation to keep going, to keep pushing, right? And I just want to encourage somebody, if you want to start your own journey, there's no perfect time. You have to get up and do it. Nobody's gonna do it for you. I kid you not, nobody's gonna do it for you. It's not gonna come easy. You're not gonna wake up and miraculously work out for you. You have to put in the work and get it done. You have to put in the work and get it done, but you have to get started one day at a time. One day at a time, that's what it is. I'm telling you, I'm a testimony. You guys see where I'm coming from, and you guys see the struggle, and I'm unfiltered with it. I'm telling you guys, like, I started this last year and I wasn't able to commit to it. Fell off the wagon, but it's okay to fall off and come back on, because I'm back on the wagon, I've been on the wagon, and I want you guys to come on the wagon as well, right? Anyways, at Shauna's house, I'm gonna pick her up now, and then we're gonna head to the gym, and I'm gonna show you guys just some of the workout that I do while I'm at the gym. Tonight I'm probably not gonna go as hard as previous nights because I am sore. And I've been at the gym last night, the night before, and I think the night before. So 3 nights in a row, tonight can be a relaxed night. Alright? So Shauna is right here. Let's see if she wants to come on the camera. Guys, say hi to Shauna. Shauna, say hi to the vlog.
Hi guys.
So Shauna is usually very shy, but we're not going to pressure her tonight. So Shauna, I was just telling everyone that we're going to the gym in spite of the conditions today.
Yeah.
Right? This is the perfect day to just stay home and chill and binge and just relax. But instead we're out here in the freezing cold.
Exactly.
Going to the gym, right?
Yeah.
So my motivation is my weight loss and just my own health journey. But what's your motivation?
I want to feel better for one, and
Yeah.
I want to ensure that my mental clarity is sustained, and I want to prove to myself that the weather does not have to determine how I pursue my goals. I have to pursue in spite of.
That's perfectly said. So someone's watching this video right now and they are a little bit hesitant about their own journey. You know, this is not something that's easy, and we won't pretend that it's easy. But what advice would you give to somebody who is a little bit caught up on their own health journey?
Just start. Like, you're never gonna feel the perfect way. Conditions are never gonna be perfect. The weather is never going to be perfect. So you just have to start. Write it down and keep the commitment to yourself.
That is it. And it's all about being disciplined, guys, and consistent. That's the word. Consistency is key. And it doesn't matter if you're walking 2 miles per hour, as long as you're walking,
Yeah.
as long as you keep moving, right? Slow progress is better than no progress. You guys know that already. That's one of my mantra. As long as you keep moving, if you can't run, you walk. If you can't walk, you creep. If you can't creep, you crawl. Right? As long as you keep moving, that's the ultimate thing. And there's no perfect way to do it. It's just your way, right? So, as I mentioned before, we're on our way to the gym. I will show you guys some of the workout. I don't know what Shauna have on her list tonight, but I'm not doing deadlifting with her tonight.
But I have some very rough lower body workouts planned for tonight.
Okay, we'll take you guys and show you guys a few moves. Alright, so come along, guys.
Gonna stay in this moment. Gonna lay here on the grass. I don't need to feel lonely. I am finally home at last. And I don't mind being gone on adventures for a while. No, no. 'Cause the best thing about it is I know I'm coming back. Oh, oh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold, no matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why I'm always feeling homesick. Oh, all I know, all I know, all I know is this is where my heart is. Oh, I have seen places in the world I've been to. This is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Gonna stay in this moment. Gonna lay here on the grass. I don't need to feel lonely. I am finally home at last. And I don't mind being gone on adventures for a while. No, no. 'Cause the best thing about it is I know I'm coming back. Oh, oh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter